Is we are bringing more kind of different thing that keep people wondering, guys. Some people say, "Are you insinuating?" Yes. Why? Because I've been basically focusing on cooking stew, rice, guys, without noticing that all these ones are necessary as well when it comes to cooking, because I felt like these ones are minorly, as in the kind of easiest kind of food everybody would know how to cook. But before we proceed, guys, watch this video. Guys, weather is intense to the extent that you can't even if you are a private person, you can't as in continue staying at home in this kind of hotty weather, so that you wouldn't feel bored. So everybody are in the beach chilling, guys, because we feel like it's that place that we makes us chill. Okay, back to base. So, what am I trying to say? All those ones we feel like we neglected, that people have known how to do that. They are not difficult to prepare, guys. But I tell you, some people don't know how to go about that, like white rice, beans, and the things you can combine with them. So that's what I'm bringing on this video. So for us living in diaspora, to get a nice beans that can cooked so easy or go so soft after cooking it is kind of hard. So that's why I brought up to show you guys how to go about cooking your beans, especially if you are living in diaspora where you can often see beans. Guys, what you need to do while cooking your beans, kindly add potash on it. Potash can help the beans done so fast. Why? Because we usually see strong beans here. So what can help you not to be, wasting your gas always is that potash. Potash you neglected is a small but mighty. But people don't know that you can use it to soften your beans in a couple of 10 minutes. The beans you usually cook like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You notice that within a couple of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, your beans is done. So that's why I felt like all these things I felt like people have already known. While some people are still searching for this. So that's why I just prompt to keep putting such video here. You can watch my previous video. I've shown you the other method you can go about cooking your white rice instead of focusing cooking on one particular method. So now I'm bringing this one as proteinous because we go for healthy kind of food. When you are eating basically healthy, you're gonna stay healthy and live healthy. Guys, now that we are making a health creams, Bible even say we should try and leave the rest to God. So that's it. So now we are still cooking these beans. How I go about cooking these beans is, first thing first, you don't wash your beans because beans has rules. So once you wash it, it will start peeling, and seeing that peeling on your beans doesn't seems okay. So that's why you can't go further to you know um wash it before cooking. So before I continue with the explanation of beans, our rice is already done because I just want to side it. Eating beans like that sometimes doesn't go fast, as in our mouth. So we find another thing that can, as in we can attach with or side with our beans, which is rice. I think combining the two is the key, and it helps you go friendly to your mouth whenever you want to eat it. So instead of eating beans particularly, because beans is not that sweet and it doesn't go friendly in your mouth whenever you are eating it. So that's why we sometimes combine it with some stuff. So everything is done, but I gonna explain how I cook these beans. Guys, I went ahead to you know add potash on my beans. Guys, when I just boil the hot water, I pour my beans there, add potash. When my beans is about to be, as in when it's about getting done, I, strain it with the strainer to get rid of the potash water before I now boil another hot water, then add the, as in strained ones. I didn't wash it, I just removed the old water, then pour it back to the pot again. So that's how I manage cooking. Touching beans too much can make it to be so strong, even if when you add potash. So like as I said, beans has rule. That's why you need to be careful on how to go about cooking it. So then again, guys, view the stuff. Guys, we are in the beach, like as I said, weather is too much. Everybody are looking for where to chill and refresh it his or herself. So that's why I probably try putting this video here. And then again, the my main motive of putting this video here is because not only that you eat healthy, for you to stay healthy, you need to take a workout to experience fresh air, because all are part of staying healthy. um yeah, you can't just basically focus only on eating. So that's the tension of me putting the video here. So when you eat healthy, pattern breads, do workout, then that's when you will claim that you are bettering yourself health wise. So that's it. So our food is ready, guys. Look at our combination. The combination is intense. Why? Because if you feel like eating beans like that is not good for you, kindly side it. Guys, let me know what you think. Have you tried this before? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks.